The operations team at Northbridge Manufacturing had spent years treating the distribution center as the center of gravity. Then, the numbers started to move faster than the trucks. Inflation pushed up the cost of steel, labor, fuel, and freight. What once looked like efficient inventory now looked like exposed capital, sitting in boxes and losing value in a market that would not stay still. At the same time, the chip shortage tightened its grip. The plant could not safely build finished goods in large volumes when critical components arrived late and irregularly. Forecasts became guesses, and guesses became expensive. Then AI demand surged. Orders came from data center clients, hardware resellers, and system integrators who needed high-performance equipment now, not next quarter. The old model, with product pre-positioned in regional warehouses, began to feel slow and rigid. Maya Chin, the supply chain director, called an executive review and brought one message: the network had to become more direct. She proposed holding more inventory inside the factory, delaying final assembly until demand was confirmed, and shipping straight from the plant to the customer or distributor. Her finance lead expected a margin hit. Her logistics manager worried about longer delivery times. Her production chief warned that smaller orders would complicate scheduling. Maya accepted every objection, then laid out the counter-argument. Less money tied up in warehouses. Less risk from price swings. Less exposure to missing components. Stronger control if disruption returned. The pilot began with one product line. Orders were received in real time. Inventory was tracked digitally, and the plant released each unit only after confirmation. The first week was messy. The second week was faster. By the sixth week, the team saw the pattern clearly. Fewer overstocks, fewer write-downs, and a cleaner link between what customers wanted and what the factory produced. The surprising twist was not that direct ship reduced cost. It was that it improved discipline. Because every order now mattered immediately, purchasing, production, and shipping were forced into tighter coordination. The plant stopped building for a warehouse and started building for a customer. There were trade-offs. Some deliveries took longer than the old regional model. Transportation had to be managed more carefully, and the factory had to stay flexible enough to handle frequent orders without losing efficiency. But the business gained something more valuable in an unstable market: responsiveness. By year-end, Northbridge was no longer asking how much inventory to push downstream. It was asking how quickly it could convert demand into shipment. In a world shaped by inflation, shortages, and AI-driven growth, that question became the new standard for resilience.